Hey, what is going on? Today we're going to reset the PS5 controller. Resetting the controller can fix many issues and it's pretty simple, so let's go through the steps right now. We'll make sure to disconnect it from the PS5 and make sure the PlayStation is turned off as well. Flip over the PS5 controller and you'll see a little hole at the back right beside the Sony logo, and what you want to do is just grab a paper clip or something similar like a phone tool that you use for SIM cards, whatever. And what you want to do is just push the tool in. You want to press and hold. You feel a little resistance. It's like a little button inside. So what you want to do is just press and hold for at least 3 to 5 seconds. I would say 5 seconds to be safe. Yeah, so if you're trying to troubleshoot an issue with your controller, usually the first thing you would do is reset the controller. Alright, so that is done. So now we need to plug in our PS5. Alright, so here is our PS5 plugged in. Sony always recommends you use their official cable, especially if you're running into issues. So now we plug it in to the controller like so, and for pairing all we need to do is press the PS button right there and it should light up. Looks good. Now let's head over to the screen to make sure everything worked, that the controller did pair successfully. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so it looks good. So we have successfully reset our PS5 controller and it paired to the PS5 and we're back in business. Yeah, so the next time you have any issues like pairing issues or vibration sensitivity issues or disconnect issues you have with your controller, usually reset will help with many issues like that. Alright guys, so that is the video. Hope it was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button. Bye bye.